Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure you're signed into the exact Google account where you want albums to appear. Otherwise, Sync won't target the right library. Once signed in, open Google Photos and tap your profile icon, then Photos settings to find Backup and Sync. Turn Backup and Sync on and choose the upload quality. Original keeps full size. Storage Saver saves space. These steps matter because only backed up content can be selected for album-level sync later. Now you'll choose which albums and folders to include. Go to Library, then Albums to see Organized Collections. For photos stored in device-only folders, open Device Folders and toggle Backup for each folder you want included. This ensures those images are available to add into albums in the cloud. Once folders are backed up, open any album, tap the three-dot menu, and use Add to Library or Move to confirm those images live in your Google Photos account for sync across devices. Finish by verifying that albums appear on another device or via Photos. Google.com so you know sync worked. If items don't show up, make sure you haven't hit your Google storage quota, that background data and battery optimizations aren't blocking the app, and that Photos has permission to access your photos. Once done, use Settings Backup and Sync Backup Now to force a sync. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or restart the device to reset connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.